car no wodi dem emayi din ayetitie na nke atiti bia afa womu emfie kakrani ena din fufuro bi ba ya baba bi yase afre na Akuapem Poloo Akuapem Poloo ni ka ase ye Poloo ya yawie ene nka wunya muduro bi na de ka ho na gya wawe ya de kuba ye ne kama ba ya ase ye nipa say ye nipa ba ya kokokokoko tia sremtens and wo pie Ghana wonu mu ache say social media wo beji din ho na baba yi ba ye ne wo mu a wonu mu so ye stars ya wo mu dadom so Akuapem Poloo wo ya ho cheche na ba ye wo pekasa dodo e wo mu a na che say wo de video wo de camera ni sinanim na ni sisi wa track ya amanfo tracking woni e wo pan wo buo no wo bu bia wa ye bia nkofasem ama na afi etwa moye wo wono mo amfonyini ba tracking ba we de na nya tracking ye hu Akuapem Poloo a ababa yi na abo ne hu nyina da jakwate kwa show sister ene obutu fam ena ne baba ma akwada ketwa akwada ni gina na nimwo ene photo no ye kata ba bi ni ye de ato ho ko Facebook ni YouTube we sa wo de ba ye wanhu an na ubehu ni ehu ya sa baba ni ne babutu fam munutu wo mo je de ban ya mabo nekate wa bra munimpa se nekate de nka Kasiebo kanye wo ba na na oba mo ba bebo mo hwadaja be hunahuna yan Akuapem Poloo de ne nchiremu ko twiko brema wo de aba wo ya wo si o nekate came nekate asha we go no mse yankone sa wunwu ya sa asem na yebe enti so de otina kwa wuro ho wa trek anye na be wuro ho de a wo mayi ya wo mra wom ya sanka wuro ho na hye wo dem kura kentia mra na emu metwa me de abeto wo mo mehwe akwada ketu abonim hwe wo kire na niema kase de a ene na tia mra enti asemi kokoto no tese wodi ne ba ko wodi asem ni mienu wodi ne miyansasa gura se na ya asem kase o enne kotu akwasetena na ejaji ye botere adwam wo se Akuapem Poloo so mo kase won kofia enye yie etu won kodem enna maku adiokono won kodem na nienti a won kodem ene nsam wa kan hu nyina na buhie judgment anasa temu a droya empanifo kekasa nyina wieye PM no de tu dwa no yentie bie.
Honestly, the judge is within the Senate powers. She has a discretion. I'm a bit disappointed anyway. Considering the mitigating factors that will be canvassed for her being a first-time offender, young offender. With a lot of responsibility, single mother, taking care of the son and the mother and the nephews. I mean, folks ought to have considered those things. But well, the judge within her sentencing power, a fine and a maximum of 2 years and 90 days. She's within her powers, so we have nothing much to say against what she did. When we were at the case management conference stage, we evaluated all the evidence against the pictorial evidence and the witness statement. And we realized that we don't have a good case. You know, so when the case goes to a full trial, the sentence will be harsher. Assuming we are going to the whole trial, maybe 2-3 months we are done, and she's from culpable. The punishment will be harsher than being a first-time offender, pleading guilty.
Abushiani ayati ye lawyer ni awojina mu ama Akuapem Poloo nunu o ene onu chire mo o sanko mo ka so mo toa so asenie no ye ntwimu twan a ene nka so twen nke mu be yedu papa na woni nsa asemi ba ye Akuapem Poloo one day social media wo de wo ti wonu mo wuntua dampo ti obi a de na de ni si dani mu a no akasa bia no de atum ababa e bayi na no se ade no a waye asa Ghana fo wo hu bi da obi a de na Akuapem Poloo we de pantoma Akuapem Poloo we de wabo musuo no wo se ne enti a wo boss adagya no ne ne ba no wo mutwa asa mfonyi no yentie nkyiremu ode ba ya ansa na no mo de ne kotum wo bie.
As an artist, whatever I post is an artistic impression. Yes, I always try to send a message out there as a mother. So whatever I posted today was an artistic impression, but I'm not trying to portray porn on my page. I can't do porn with my son. I even bath always with my son. He's my son. I bath him. We bath in the bathhouse always. So but what I want to say is, I was trying to send a message to kids and children, even grown-up people who don't regard their parents, especially their mothers. Some people will see their parent out there mad, naked, and because they are naked, they'll run away and they won't take care of their parents, they won't clothe them. So what I was saying is, no matter how naked full you see your parent, don't run away from them. Get close to them and clothe them. That was what I was trying to say.
Abusuafo mate Akuapem Poloo so wono woyesini twafo enti ade bi obeye no ase wo de kasa usini twafo won munienom bi o munne ye bi ombeye no wo de kasa no wono sa naked photo no wo de baaye no na ya fotuo no wo de ma nkwada wo de bi ma mpanimfo se eto da nkwada bi wo hono mo ne mu so mo maame mo gbadaja wo maame mo bodam no wo dwane won peso obebe wo maame no o kire se he mewuro me ho ame so me ya daja me da so nti mo de benti wo beto otim no wafa na so kwoto ndia anto wetirim anti na ne wo mo so won kodam enem maako aduokono eti ba bi Akuapem Poloo ne bai judgment ne anti ba bi omode ne ba no efa se ho na ebehwe na chiri se ho na ebehwe na chiri no abusua asem na fe na ahya se eba eti biresem no ye betoa so photo no so de na da ho no naked we came saa na ye besa akwa enkwen oye oso oye sinitwafo ohun
won say emayiwe de bia yetu omofo a womonte na ene empenise ohina ontie futu de wansampo breko hemfie nti bi na ese ebeya desua e de amafoforo na wo aka no me de migidi say eye president bia ye de eto wama nchirima kana ya
anwumre be koma fi se nipa bebre so ka se anu ahye dodo we no nka empanimfo mmon kokko eti anwumre na yebekomu ahwe se ebi kura na we ne mu ayemre ananka betumi
ono ne lawyer na kan o si we kura no mu ayemre agumu de ama no no
ye nkoye ni we